My name is Mike Owens. I'm from Texas in the United States. I'm currently living in Kuwait, and this is my first experience here at Hair of Istanbul. My hair loss journey started maybe 10 years ago when I was in college. It was always something that I saw every day in the mirror when I woke up. Receding hairline, kind of in the corners. I actually did have hair transplant done in Texas. It was about 5 years ago, but I wasn't happy with the results. I still had that, receding in the corners. I had a bunch of friends back in Texas that had an incredible experience here at Hair of Istanbul. Told me a lot about it, their experience, the amazing facility, the people, the process, the care that's taken throughout the entire experience. And I recently moved to Kuwait, so being so close, it made sense to come over and experience the incredible facility and people here and the amount of care and pride that they take into the procedures. I arrived, came in to the clinic and immediately went into the hair design process, which that was the first step of my experience here that I noticed was very different from my prior one in Texas. Before the doctor, Texas didn't even come in and help with the line. It was just the technician that kind of made it up as they went during the procedure, which, ultimately, if you're looking for the best experience, the best people, that's not typically how it goes. But here, the owner actually came out, helped with the hairline, the design, asked questions about it. There were a number of people in the room providing insight, taking measurements, and then they actually did symmetry check with digital photographs and lines to make sure everything was perfect. Proceeded into the procedure, which throughout the care that was taken from all the individuals looking after me was amazing. I had Netflix going, Wi-Fi, you name it. Very comfortable experience. I actually fell asleep for maybe 5-10 minutes. Apologies to anybody in there while I was snoring. Hopefully it wasn't too distracting. But then they served a beautiful veal tenderloin for lunch. Went back in and finished up the remainder of the procedure. From the end of the procedure till now, I've been checked in on every day. I've come in, gotten all of the follow-up checks done in this incredible facility. I know you can't see it on the camera, but this is probably one of the most state-of-the-art facilities that I've been to, whether it be medical, professional in my job. This is probably one of the highest tech facilities that I've been to. Everybody in here has been incredible. Really thankful for the experience, the people I've met, and my new hairline. So thank you so much. To the Hair of Istanbul team, the thing about it is you can live your life, look in the mirror and see something that you're not happy with and let it wear you down every day, or you can make a decision to make a change and be happy with the way your new look, your new hairline, and ultimately the people that run this facility here at Hair of Istanbul are, responsible for so many people's happiness and pride in their new hairline, and kind of forgetting about the past of looking in the mirror and not being 100% happy with what they're seeing. So huge thank you to everybody at Hair of Istanbul. Been an incredible experience from start to finish, and really thankful for the opportunity to meet everybody here.